It happened on this day, February the 11th, back in 1967. 5 Parrish High School student council members attended the annual Magnolia State Student Council Workshop held at Jackson State College Park Auditorium in Jackson, Mississippi. The 5 students were Robert Smith, Troy Stewart, Rowan Torrey, Sterling Tate, and David Stewart. The workshop representatives attempted to plan an effective overall program for high school student councils and to find an answer to some of the general problems of the individual school councils. Five Parrish High School student council members of 1967 making a difference. A Parrish High School, Capaya County, Hazelhurst, Mississippi, Black History Moment.